Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a vegan rice pudding. Let's begin. To start on the recipe, you'll want to grab yourself a small oven-proof dish and just generously rub some vegan butter all around the sides and the bottom, giving it a good coating. You can then go ahead and add in all of your pudding rice. Now is also the perfect time to add in your sugar. Then you can add the milk, but as you're pouring the milk into it, you'll want to be stirring it constantly with a wooden spoon or a spatula. Just keep on stirring. It doesn't matter if you scrape some of the vegan butter off the bottom, it will just won't stick, so don't worry. To get the flavour you would with rice pudding, you'll want to use some nutmeg, so grate in as much or as little nutmeg as you'd like. I went with a decent amount, but feel free to alter that to suit you better. Then you can also go ahead and zest in around a quarter to half of a lemon. Once you've done all of that, you can then place into your preheated oven and bake it off. All of that information you will need for baking times and temperatures will be in the blog post, which will be linked down below. You can then go ahead and just mix it all together so that skin that's formed on top is incorporated and it will work in and melt back down, so don't worry about that. Just mix it in and then you can dish it up into your glasses or plates, whichever you have to serve it in. I just realised that the rice pudding was really hot and I was actually touching the bowl. Well, I've got asbestos hands, so I didn't really feel it, but don't touch anything hot without a tea towel or an oven glove or something like that. Just as you thought the rice pudding might be good on its own, which it is, you can elevate it to the next level by adding just a teaspoon of jam on top. Feel free to use more or completely skip it out. But once you try it on its own, it's nice, but with the strawberry jam, it's even better. I really do recommend trying it. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again next week with some more recipes for you, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description. There'll be links to this recipe, links to my blog, and links to all my social medias. But that's all of the vegan recipes I will be uploading during Veganuary this year. I hope you enjoyed them. Don't forget to leave me any suggestions for future videos in the comments down below. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.